Happy Friday, everyone, and TGIF. Today's word of the day is sneeze. 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 And it begins with the SN, 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 and then goes into the E, and then you have to end it, z, sneeze, sneeze, sneeze. It's a noun meaning an act or the sound of expelling air from the nose in a sneeze, or a verb meaning make a sudden, involuntary expulsion of air from the nose and mouth due to irritation of one's nostrils. Sentences. Please cover your mouth when you sneeze. Your turn. Breaking down the sounds. Okay, yeah, please, please, and that S sound, please, cover your, hard on the K sound, cover, you have the R, cover, right into the your, cover cover your mouth, mouth, and the TH sound, cover your mouth when you sneeze. Again, please cover your mouth when you sneeze. Your turn. Next sentence. I'd like to take you out, but you are sneezing so much and look miserable. Your turn. Breaking down the sound. I'd like to becomes like I'd like to, I'd like to, okay, take you out, but you are sneezing so much and look so, you need that clean S, so much, the M sound, so much, in the end, so much in look, the L sound has to be strong, look, in the K, look miserable. Here we go again. I'd like to take you out, but you are sneezing so much and look miserable. Your turn. Speaking opportunity. In America, when someone sneezes, we say, bless you. In Vietnam, do you say anything when someone sneezes? Sneeze. Sneeze. Okay, everyone. Have a great Friday and a wonderful weekend.